cartilage. What is cartilage? It is also a connective tissue. So it is a specialized connective tissue where rigidity and elasticity is required. Elasticity is required. In bone, normally elasticity is not present because there is calcification or mineralization. So, but in cartilage there is elasticity. That is, there is no mineral in cartilage. Now, what is the function of cartilage? It provides rigidity and support to soft tissue, smooth gliding surface, and growth of long bone. Growth of long bone because we see that a cartilage or a long bone growth in two ways, and one is the endochondral growth by a cartilage from a cartilaginous model. Now, the structure or composition, as it is a connective tissue, it has two components. That is, one is cell and one is intercellular substance. And within the intercellular substance, there is fiber and ground substance, like the bone. So cell, intercellular substance, fiber, and ground substance. What are the cells for cartilage? There is chondro. So it is the chondrogenic cell, chondroblast, chondrocyte. What is chondrogenic cell? It is a stem cell and is found in the perichondrium. What is chondroblast? Blast means it is immature. What is chondrocyte? It is mature cartilage cells. Now there are two fibers of cartilage, two types of fiber. One is type 1 collagen and one is type 2 collagen. Type 1 collagen is present in fibrocartilage and type 2 in hyaline and elastic cartilage. It is very, very important. The type 2 is present in hyaline and elastic, and type 1 is present in fibrocartilage. Ground substance of cartilage, proteoglycan, glycoprotein, tissue fluid. Cartilage is not mineralized. Bone is mineralized, but cartilage is not mineralized. So there is elasticity in cartilage. Now the characteristic feature of cartilage, it is very, very important. Cartilage is avascular. So it gets nutrition by diffusion from the nearest capillary. Cartilage is avascular. And cartilage has no lymphatics, no nerves. It is surrounded by perichondrium, like bone. Bone is surrounded by periosteum, and cartilage is surrounded by perichondrium. It grows by appositional and interstitial method of growth, and when cartilage calcify, chondrocytes die. What is perichondrium? Like periosteum, it is the covering of a cartilage, except kotha thake na, where it is absent. It is absent in articular cartilage and in fibrocartilage. Very important. Perichondrium is absent in articular cartilage and fibrocartilage, and it has two layers, outer fibrous, inner cellular. Now the growth of cartilage, like bone, there are two types of growth: appositional growth. Appositional, why appositional? Because there is deposition of more cartilage cells, so increased diameter of the cartilage, that is increase in width. And what is interstitial growth? It causes increase in length. Now the main topics in cartilage. What are the types of cartilage? There are three types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrocartilage. The sky color region is for hyaline cartilage. Where are they located? In the costal cartilage. This is the bronchi. This is the trachea. This is the articular cartilage of zone. These are the location of hyaline cartilage. The purple color is for elastic cartilage. Where are they located? This is the external ear, external acoustic meatus or auditory meatus, epiglottis. These are for elastic cartilage. The red color zone is for fibrocartilage. That is the intervertebral disc. These are the intervertebral disc. In the symphysis pubis, that is the secondary cartilaginous joint. In the menisci of knee joint, these are the location of fibrocartilage. Intervertebral disc, symphysis pubis, menisci. And this is a chart for different cartilages, types of different cartilages. Let's see: hyaline cartilage, articular cartilage, thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, and it is very much important. Please go through this chart in the book Vishram Singh, or you will take picture from here. Now the hyaline cartilage. at first focus on the name hyaline. Why it is hyaline? Because of hyalose. It comes from a word hyalose. Hyalose means glass or transparent. Why the hyaline cartilage is transparent? Usually it is seen as a bluish white, but it is called transparent. Why it is transparent? Because the collagen fibers present in them, I have told that the cartilage has two components, that is cell and matrix. Matrix contains ground substance and fiber, and there is collagen fiber. The collagen fibers have the same refractive index as ground substance. Very much important. Why hyaline cartilage is transparent? Because collagen fibers have the same refractive index as the ground substance. And there is presence of perichondrium. Now the cells of hyaline cartilage, these are the cells. Let's see, they are located as a group or isogenous group. These are called cell nest. So these are chondrocyte occupying lacuna. Cells are shrunken in H and E, that is the hematoxylin and eosin preparation. These are responsible for synthesis of collagen fiber, and the daughter cells form cell nest or isogenous group of cells. What are the fibers? There are presence of type 2 collagen fiber in hyaline cartilage. Type 2 collagen fiber. The matrix which are located surrounding the cell nest, these are dark color. This is known as the territorial matrix. In this picture, these are the territorial matrix. That is the regional matrix. And in between two cell nests, there are the interterritorial matrix. Again, the cells are arranged in group. There is presence of perichondrium arranged in group. Now the perichondrium, it covers the hyaline cartilage except in the articular surface, and costal cartilage has no perichondrium. These are the examples of hyaline cartilage. That is the nasal cartilage, hyaline cartilage, trachea, bronchi, this is the larynx, costal cartilage, all are hyaline cartilage. Functions of hyaline cartilage, it provides a smooth surface at joints, such as at joints, it is flexible. And the third point is very important, it is firmness of the cartilage keeps the lumen of trachea and bronchi patent. It is very important. If the trachea and bronchi will be muscular, then there will be collapse of the trachea and bronchi and there will be difficulty in respiration. So cartilage is very much important to keep the lumen of the trachea and bronchi patent. Next, the elastic cartilage. Why it is elastic? Elastic because there is presence of numerous elastic fiber in its matrix. So it is elastic cartilage. Let's see, characterized by the presence of elastic fiber in abundance. Chondrocytes are found singly or grouped in lacuna, and there is presence of perichondrium. So it is the slide of elastic cartilage. There are abundance of elastic fiber. These are the elastic fiber. Chondrocytes are arranged in group and surrounded by perichondrium. That is the presence of perichondrium and abundance of elastic fiber. So it is elastic cartilage. What is its function? To support and to give elasticity of the organ, such as external ear, external auditory meatus, epiglottis. These are the location of elastic cartilage. Now the white fibrocartilage. Why it is fibro? Because there is numerous fiber. Which fiber? That is the collagen fiber. White fibrocartilage, it is a different from the hyaline and elastic. Here the perichondrium is absent. Perichondrium is absent. And there is thick bundle of collagen fiber. Which type? Type 1. In hyaline and elastic cartilage there was type 2 collagen fiber. But in white fibrocartilage there is type 1 collagen fiber. And it is dense, regular. Dense, why it is dense? Because there is condensedly present collagen fiber. Regular, why regular? Because they are parallelly arranged. So it is dense, regular, connective tissue. And chondrocytes are seen between fibers in single or in narrow rows. Fibrocartilage is capable of resisting compressive and shear force. where the fibrocartilage is intervertebral disc, symphysis pubis we have seen previously. This is the slide of fibrocartilage. So there is abundance of collagen fiber and they are parallelly arranged. Single row of chondrocytes, singular group of chondrocytes in single row. There is no elastic fiber, there is no perichondrium, so it is the white fibrocartilage. Again, let's see the difference between three types of cartilage. This is the hyaline cartilage, this is the elastic cartilage, and this is the fibrocartilage. Why this is hyaline? Because it is transparent. Why it is transparent? Because the refractive index of the collagen fiber is same as the refractive index of ground substance, and there is presence of perichondrium. So it is hyaline. Why this is elastic? Because there is abundance of elastic fiber and there is also perichondrium. Why it is fibro? Because there is dense collagen fiber and the cells are arranged in a single row and there is absence of perichondrium. It is called the fibrocartilage. Thank you. If there is any question, you can unmute and question me.